Hey, what's happening? Welcome to my real estate channel with another house flip. So today I'm gonna be touring this property behind me. It's a townhouse in Germantown. Closed on this property last week and gave the tenant 7 days. No, the seller 7 days. So they wanted that 7 days to pack some stuff. So the house is ready now. So we are going to be touring this property. I'm going to be showing you some stuff that I always look at when I want to buy properties that needs to be renovated. So make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to this channel for more real estate video. Let's jump into it. Okay, so the property is in front of a busy street. So you're going to be hearing vehicles passing by. So we're just gonna walk the property, and the property is it's a townhouse, and they have a HOA, homeowners association. They claim that they fix their outside, and they do some work outside and inside, but they didn't do nothing. Crazy people. So anyway, look, we have to start with the landscaping, and it's a 3 level, yeah, townhouse, partially finished basement. So I checked the roof still looks good, but as far as the outside is concerned, the community said they just want to leave the wood, so I'm just gonna stay with the wood. Okay, so inside we still have some stuff, and this is the kitchen. We're gonna be taking it's gonna need some work. You can see the floor, the tiles are out, and we're gonna need some work completely renovating the kitchen. But I like the countertop. Maybe that will stay with the backsplash, but we might do some little touch as far as that is concerned. So I like the little concept over here. So the stove and the refrigerator is gonna be replaced. So this is the living room, and you can see there's some stuff that'll be taken out a little bit, and this part needs a complete renovation as well. We're gonna go outside, and I'm gonna show you I'm gonna show the outside part. So this is the outside part. Has a lot of dirt. This is the HVAC. It was just replaced. I don't think we need to do anything as far as this is concerned. It looks new to me. So as you can see, the outside need some work as far as this outside is concerned. The community want us to keep the wood. They don't want any like siding or something like that. They just want to maintain the historic as far as the community is concerned. So we're just gonna keep that as it is. Okay, so this is the basement. So the basement is partially finished, and this part was done a little bit. They did a little bit of work on this part, and the other part still looks like nothing was done. So we'll have to do a complete reno as far as the basement is concerned. So it's the utility room, the HVAC, the washer and the dryer, the hot water heater. Hot water heater still looks new. It was replaced recently, and that's it. As far as it looks like they took out the ties down here and they never replaced it back. I think it's just sitting here. Over there as well. So this is a bathroom downstairs. I think this bathroom has not been used for a while. It needs to be completely renovated as well. House needs a lot of work. So that's a bathroom downstairs, and then this is a little storage with a lot of tiles and cement that we need to use for renovations. Okay, so let's go upstairs. So I'm gonna take you guys upstairs. The carpet needs to be renovated as well, to be replaced, replaced completely. So this is the first bedroom. As you can see, it needs work, completely renovated. Need complete renovation. Carpet needs to be replaced. Paint. I like the size of the room. It's a little you have some larger square footage than most of the rooms in the area. This is the bathroom, full bathroom upstairs. It needs complete renovation as well. This is the master's bedroom, the master bathroom. Master bathroom needs complete renovation. So it's a 1, 2, 3 bedroom and a bathroom upstairs, and that's it as far as the tour is concerned. So after renovation, I might do another video. So the front yard, and this door needs to be replaced as well. So make sure that's it. So make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to this channel for more real estate video.